In this video, I am going to solve another problem of linear equation in one variable. Okay. So, in this word problem, it says that three numbers are in the ratio of 1:2:3. Okay. Means the given numbers are in the ratio of 1:2:3 and their sum is 36. Means when we add those numbers, it gives the sum as 36. Okay. So we have to find the numbers here. So as it is a linear equation in one variable, we can use any one variable. Okay. So now let's see how to solve this. So as these are in the ratio of 1:2:3, so we can take, let the first number be 1x, 1 into x, that is equal to x. Okay. The second number be, it is in the ratio 1:2:3, so the second number we will take as 2x. Okay. And the third number be 3x. Okay. So one number is x, the another number we are considering as 2x, and the third number is 3x. And the condition according to the question and according to the condition given, the sum of these three numbers is equal to 36. Okay. So according to the question, 80 cubed, according to the question, x plus 2x plus 3x gives us the sum as 36. Okay. Now we are going to add 3x plus 2x because these are all like terms. We can add them and it gives us 6x equals 36. Okay. Now 6 is multiplied with x. So when it will go to the other side, it will be dividing 36. Okay. So 36 will come in 6 table 6 times. So we get x as equal to 6. And it is also the first number. Okay. So the first number we get x equals 6. The second number will be there. And it is 2x. We have considered the second number as 2x. So it will be 2x. That is 2 into 6. That will give us 12. Okay. And the third number is equal to 3x. That is 3 into 6. That gives us 18. Okay. So the first number we got as 6. The second number is 12. And the third number is 18. And you can check this answer of yours is correct or not by adding all these three numbers. 6 plus 12 is 18 and 18 plus 18 is 36. So the sum it's given according to the question is 36. Okay, so it means our answer is correct. So children, hope you understood the explanation, and still yet if you have not subscribed to the channel, then kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.